that started even before.
Yep, there's a tornado warning. Oh, there it is. National Weather Service. What? Woohoo, the emergency alert system! Let me just call the CAS 2. So now I call the CAS 2. Wait. Is the tornado warning still here?
Locations Brown, Monroe, and Morgan County until 7:45. The rotation with this cell did weaken substantially as it moved to the south and east. However, because we did have a report of a potential tornado on the ground, I have not gotten any confirmation of this, but it is coming from Skywarn, folks that know how to spot tornadoes. It says right along 37, very close.
This is getting a scare. This is turning into a scary night for Bloomington. That's what I would say.
County. North of Bloomington, you are not under this tornado warning, but if you are in the extreme northeastern part of the county, you need to be seeking shelter. And if you're in Brown County, especially the northwestern corner, this is where you need to be concerned. Nashville, at this point, you are not under the warning. However, keep in mind, if this cell continues and we have